वी जस्ट हैव एन स्मॉल इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट स्टोमाटा। स्टोमाटा एक टाइनी पोर होता है, जो कि स्टोमा एक लैटिन वर्ड है जिससे आया है। स्टोमाटा आर टाइनी पोर्स प्रेजेंट ऑन द सर्फेस ऑफ द लीव्स। दे हैव फाउंड बोथ इन द अपर एंड लोअर एपिडर्मिस ऑफ द लीफ, बट दे आर मोर इन नंबर ऑन द लोअर एपिडर्मिस। लोअर एपिडर्मिस में ही ज़्यादा पाए जाते हैं। ईच स्टोमा इज बाउंडेड बाय 2 kidney shaped guard cells, and these guard cells possess a nucleus and number of chloroplasts. The opening and closing of the stomata is operated by change in the turgidity of the guard cells. These are the required materials.
Hello everyone, today our experiment is on the temporary mount of leaf peel. So we will watch the stomata of the leaf peel under the microscope. We are taking a Rio leaf. So this is the procedure how we will perform this experiment. So first of all we will take a freshly prepared leaf and we will remove the peel from its lower surface by tearing it. Then we will put the peel into the watch glass containing water so that the peel does not dry. After that, we will put 2 to 3 drops of saffron in to stain the peel. After that, we will place the peel in the slide with the help of a brush. After that, we will put a drop of glycerin on the slide over the peel. We will gently cover with the help of cover slip over it. We will remove excessive glycerin with the blotting paper. Then we will observe the slide under the microscope at 10x and 45x.
So these are the basic requirements. These are the basic requirements for our experiment: a brush, a needle, cover slip, slides, Rio leaves, forceps, petri plate and a petri dish. So here are the requirements we are having. Then we will require glycerin and safranin for staining, and a compound microscope we require.
So first of all we will take a Rio leaves. We will take out the peel.
We have taken out the peel from the lower epidermis of the leaf, and now we have kept it in the water. After 2 to 3 minutes we will take out it in the petri dish. Now we are taking out this leaf peel with the help of brush, and we will transfer this into the petri dish. We will hold it very gently. Now we will add 2 to 3 drops of saffronin over it. After transferring this peel from the petri dish onto the slide, we will spread this peel with the help of a brush gently. Then we will add a drop of glycerin over it. After that we will cover it with the help of a cover slip, and then we will remove excess of glycerin and water with the help of blotting paper. Slide with the help of cover slip. Very gently we will cover this. Then we will tap. Here we are wiping out excess stain and water from our slide. Now we will watch this slide under the microscope. We will put this slide in the microscope, and then we will set the microscope and we will observe it. This is the microscopic view of the leaf peel. Now what we observe that epidermis consists of a number of cells which are irregular in outline and arranged in a single layer with no intercellular spaces. Tiny pores called stomata are seen in the epidermal cells. Each stoma consists of 2 kidney-shaped guard cells. Each guard cell has a nucleus and many chloroplasts in it. In result, we observe that minute apertures called stomata are seen in temporary mount of leaf peel. Each stomata is enclosed by 2 kidney-shaped guard cells. So precautions: leaf should be taken from freshly plucked leaves. Peel should not be allowed to dry. Leaf peel should not be overstained. The slide should not be dirty. Use a brush to transfer the leaf peel. Peel should be placed in center of the slide. Culling of peel should be avoided. The epidermal peel should be small in size.